Light Pole Systems offers a decorative base cover that offers several benefits. Keeps moisture away from the pole base to help prevent rusting. Gives the poles a uniform look. Can be easily painted. And hides the pole base and repair kit. The first step to installing your base cover is to separate the two halves of the base cover. Base covers are typically shipped assembled. Once the base cover is separated, place the two halves on either side of the pole base to check fitment. The edges of the base cover overlap down the sides and should fit snug on the pole. Then, remove the base cover from the pole and apply ABS glue to both overlapping vertical edges. Place each half of the base cover around either side of the pole base, just as you did earlier when testing for fitment, making sure the glue is making contact with the overlapping edges. Line up the pre-drilled holes. Each side has 3 holes. Then install the screws in each hole using a Phillips screwdriver. We recommend starting with the 2 top holes on each side and then working your way down. Once all 6 screws have been installed, apply caulking around the entire perimeter of the top of the base cover where it meets the pole. Apply a bead of caulk down the seams on each side of the base cover. This will help make the base cover watertight and help prevent moisture from getting to the pole base and causing rust. Lastly, apply stitches of caulk around the bottom where the base cover meets the ground. It is important to leave gaps at the bottom to allow any water or moisture that may enter the base cover to escape. You can paint the base cover if you like. Your decorative base cover installation is now complete. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.